Dang, son! 180 degrees out? What?
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh,
Real quick, you know, they're quite easy to be fair. You don't need one of these long bad boys. And you probably want to have something like maybe this as well to have, because I mean the ones underneath are quite difficult to do. Or maybe like the little knuckle, you know, one of these, because it can be quite difficult to get them ones under there. But there's only, I think there's 10. Might be wrong actually. No, I think there's 10. But yeah, we'll do that now.
don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop. Come on. Listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see.
Hey, what's up guys? So it's Big J and Little J here, just in the car. So I've managed to sort out the engine. I took off the exhaust and everything. These camshafts are quite difficult, and they are quite a bit tough to get off, but don't worry, I did manage it by myself. You do need to be a bit strong to do it, but yeah, now we're sorting out the head gasket, and we're timing we're doing the camshafts now. Actually, I was wrong.
I've got to take this off. I've got to take this off to get these bolts for the head.
Mm-hmm.
I've got to go around the outside, but I'll be...
Yeah. So you have to take the manifold off. Yeah, the exhaust manifold, which is around here. You got to take these fuel injectors off as well. You just kind of pry off. And yeah, and then you take the sprockets off the chain. And this here, this is lining it up with this tool here.
Was. I need to take it off.
Right, okay.
Head bolts underneath. Bit daft, really.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'll turn the camera off now, I'll do a little time lapse. And yeah, we'll see you in a bit, man. Bye.
You can use the new toy.
Oh yes, new what was it?
Ratchet.
Well yeah, but what's the brand and everything?
Expert by Facom.
Facom. Yeah, there we go, Expert. There we go. So we need to turn this here, and it's quite difficult to do, but we'll manage.
You need to get the extensions out.
Yeah.
We had before.
So we'll see you soon.
can mate it with the ridge in the block. So first things first, get a little bit of the coarse stuff. Put a little bit on here. There we go. And the idea is get this sucker on here. Spread this thing in. And what we're looking for is an even ring all the way around. Let's have a look. I don't know if you can see that. Looks. Sounds better. Oop. Now, I think it goes without saying, but we don't want any of this paste going down any of these holes. Now, I don't know if using this paste is strictly necessary, but what the hell. I've got the paste. I've had it for years. I've used it once and it worked great. So, I'm using it again. Okay, so
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.